yung org namin, we were picked to do the banshee dance for the orientation. So if hindi nyo alam hindi nyo alam yung orientation. Orientation is for freshmen all around Bristol. So yun, may parang concert, gano'n, tuturo yung mga chan, and all. So I hope naririnig nyo ako. Anyway, so the welcome walk is actually on Monday, August 5. Then we also have another performance on August 6, which is for the welcome walk party. So ayun, so dalawang beses ko magpo-perform sa Monday kasi AM/PM yung performance ganyan.
Isa lang, walang pork.
Walang pork. Sibin. Ba't may dalawa ka?
Ikaw, wala kang ba?
Alright, for the next step, we're gonna open Dali.
Wait lang.
Financial ba to?
Hi guys, so we're going to Starbucks sa Naval because Ate Jen got me something. Got me a coffee kasi I've been practicing for this trip. Anyway, so UST ako ngayon. Ayan. Chin gaming na lang tayo kasi ang daming tao guys. At siya di gumawa ng kilig ko for today, so ang ganda niya. Anyway, see you at Starbucks. Finally here at Starbucks. 10 a.m. Everyone. Hi guys, so I got my coffee now. Alam niyo yung feeling na parang kaka-first sip ko na ng coffee. Sobrang sarap. Ang tagal ko rin din ng Starbucks. Like, I think last Starbucks ko pa nung umalis kami ng friends ko. Like, ano ba yun? Last week. Oh my God, sobrang sarap. Coffee is my life. If you know, kung your high school ko, coffee all day, every day. Yan. So, my go-to coffee is either iced or frapped na white chocolate mocha. Stirred whip or blended whip because I don't like whipped cream. Mas nag-add siya ng flavor. So, currently at VG Bar. Lighting is so good. Thank you for giving my makeup justice. So, hindi mo ako makeup guys. Quick beach pop tour. Ang elevator.
Uy, may sobra to, promise.
sa usual time kasi 6 yung aming hi guys, grabe. Sorry kung always. Pero, I'm currently nasa gate 2, papunta gate 1. We're gonna watch XG today. Sana narinig na pangit. Ching gaming naman. Oh my god. Sobrang late na ako. Sorry. Pero tumatakbo na ako ngayon. Kasi sobrang sakit ng katawan ko kaya ang bagal ko. Anyway, yun lang. Parents! It's for my vlog. Say hi. Here's the food. Wait, I flash. Yeah. Wait,
Section ko wali with bago.
what's this?
Lengua, what's that?
Ano yun?
Mango spring roll.
Lengua spring.
Okay, and steak for me. They got me steak. And someone's stealing my eggs. Steak.
Buti nga, dito.
Look at my bag and Kuya Vin's bag. Sorry, Haggard. But we're gonna watch XG with the parents.
UST versus FPU.
Ano ba? Wag na hulo. Ano ba? Lalagay ko yan. It's day 3 of this day and yeah, going to UST at Saturday morning. Anyway, hi guys, sorry kung Haggard, but I hope you hear me. It's currently, I think 9:30 and yes, I'm late. Call time 10. But kasi nung when I woke up this morning, my body was not in a good condition. Siyempre, 2 days straight na akong sumasayaw. Tapos nag-perform pa ako nung 1 day. And ayun.
Following your footprints in the sand, walking with you in assignment. Guided by the grip of your hand, I can feel you holding my world. Bakit ko madarama? Oh, slip away pag-ibig na. Paano ba ang pinadama? This boy, it feels so good. Bawat araw mas masaya, magmula kita pa. Bawala ng pangangamba, pag ika'y kapiling na. Feels like someone like you, parang isang tropiko. Can't wait to go back with you.
Kasi naging silver medalist ko yung taga-Israel.
Hi guys! Sorry, walang makeup na naman. Kasi nagmamadali kami ni Ate Renz. Kasabay ko si Ate Renz. And hindi ko na siya na-vlog kasi nagmamadali din siya with her friend. And ako nagmamadali na ako puntang jeep. Anyway, today is day 4 of practice. The last day of practice. So 1 day before the performance. And 2 days before the other performance. So, ayun. Hopefully, kayanin ko. Sana hindi ako magkasakit kasi sa Friday na yung pasok ko. So, yeah.
Sa palasa. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Okay. Ready. 5, 6, 7. Tingin sa audience. Wala sa labag ang audience, ha?
Sorry guys, somehow I don't look presentable. But it's because nakakagaling sa practice. Sorry ha, chindi muna naman tayo namin. Anyway, pauwi na ako. Sabi ko talaga 5 PM uuwi na ako. Ala! It is D-Day for orientation. And ayan. See you tomorrow, fresh. Hindi ko makita yung shopping. Bye! Explain the vlog. What are we doing today?
We're gonna be selling
Okay. Fit check, Ate Mau. Hey! Hey! Oof! Okay, explain your fit check. A.
American Eagle.
A.
American East Classic na nanay ko.
A.
Hindi ko alam kanina ko.
A.
Diesel.
A. And your face?
From the Lord.
From the Lord. Totoo naman, from the Lord.
5, 6, 7, 8. Do it, get it, get it,
Today is August 6. Yan na lang akong wake up. Kasi performance day na naman. So, practice ng 7 to 10. Sawa practice. Kasi today naman is D-Day for our welcome concert performance. Hi guys. Pasok ko na sarili ko kasi it's game day, taray. It is performance day today. Ay, naantok. So, see you guys later. Hi guys, so I'm now here sa Espanya. Nag-wait ng jeep. Hopefully may maano ako. Kasi ang Cubao ay puro puno. Lalo na it's 6 PM. So, yeah. Hopefully I can book. Hopefully I can find jeep. Wish me luck. Anyway, performance is done today. And it's a success, although I feel so bad it did the horror wrong sa iba. And yeah. Today was a busy day, but it's my last day before school year na may ginagawa. So, yeah, masukan ko yun na Friday.